Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by prepping greens and launching the roux immediately. This is the backbone of flavor. Trim 1. 5 2lb collards, stack and slice into 1/2 ribbons so they wilt evenly. While you chop, start a roux with 1/2 cup oil and 1/2 cup flour over medium-low. Stir continuously until it reaches chocolate brown. This adds depth and thickener. Once the roux darkens, sauté 1 onion, 1 bell pepper, 3 celery ribs, and 3 garlic cloves. Then season, because seasoning early builds. Once your veggies and roux are combined, deglaze the pan with 2 cups stock or water and scrape the fond. This releases concentrated flavor. Add sliced smoked sausage and any pre-cooked proteins like chicken or shrimp, plus 2 cups chopped tomatoes and 2-3 bay leaves to infuse aroma. Fold the collard ribbons into the simmering base and cook gently for 25-35 minutes so the greens become tender yet hold shape. Make sure to taste. Add 1 tablespoon vinegar or lemon if the dish needs brightness. You finish by reducing heat and simmering until collards are tender and flavors meld. Test texture frequently so it doesn't overcook. Adjust consistency with extra stock to thin or a brief simmer to concentrate and thicken. Taste and balance salt, pepper, and heat. If the gumbo tastes flat, add 1 tablespoon vinegar and up to 1 teaspoon sugar to round flavors. Serve hot over rice. If bitterness appears, a splash of acid or a pinch of salt will quickly correct it. This is the key troubleshooting tip.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.